Good morning students. In this lecture we discuss probable error of Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. To test the reliability of Karl Pearson's correlation coefficient, probable error is used. It is denoted by probable error R. The following formula is used to determine probable error. Probable error is equal to 0.6745 multiply 1 minus r square divided by under root n, where r is equal to coefficient of correlation and n is equal to number of pairs of observation. If the constant value 0.6745 is omitted from the above formula of probable error, then we get the standard error of the coefficient of correlation. Standard error is equal to 1 minus r square divided by under root n. Probable error is used to interpret the value of the correlation coefficient. Interpretation of R with the help of probable error is made clearer by the following points. First point is, if R is greater than 6 probable error, then coefficient of correlation is taken to be significant. This means that there is no is taken to be significant. And second, if R is less than 6 probable error, then coefficient of correlation is taken to be insignificant. This means that there is no evidence of the existence of correlation in both the series. So first example is X series given, that is 9, 28, 45, 60, 70 and 50. Y series given 100, 60, 50, 40, 33 and 57. Calculate करना है probable error and correlation of coefficient is significant or not. सब तो पहला सी dx find out करांगे. dx, that is deviation from x series, assumed mean लवांगे असी 45, that is x minus assumed mean 9 minus 45, 36 minus 17, 0, 15, 25 and 5. n is equal to 6. और dx का स्क्वायर करेंगे, dx स्क्वायर 1296, 289, 0, 225, 625 and 25. Summation dx is equal to -8. Summation dx square is equal to 2460. dy deviation from y series y minus assumed mean is equal to 50 assume लिया 100 minus 50 50 60 0 minus 10 minus 17 and 7. So summation dy is equal to 40 dy square 2500 100 0 100 289 79. So summation dy square is equal to 3038 dx dy. ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ dx ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਨੂੰ dy ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ minus 1800 minus 170 0 minus 150 minus 425 35. So summation dx dy is equal to minus 2510. ਹੁਣ ਇਸ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਫਾਰਮੂਲੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੁੱਟ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ r is equal to n multiply summation dx dy minus summation dx summation dy. And multiply summation dx square summation dx the whole square and multiply summation dy square minus dy the whole square. So now r is equal to and the values are equal to 6 multiply summation dx dy minus 2510 minus summation dx minus 8 summation dy 40 divided by under root 6 multiply 2460 minus 8 square 6 multiply summation dy square is 3038 minus 40 whole square is equal to minus 15060 plus 8 नो 40 ना मल्टीप्लाई करें तो 320 माइनस माइनस प्लस 14760 minus 64 18228 minus 1600 is equal to minus 14740 under root 14696 under root 16628 is equal to minus 14740 अंडर रूट सॉल्व करते वैल्यू आएगी 121.227 मल्टीप्लाई 128.95 is equal to minus 14740 divided by 15632.221 is equal to minus 0.94. Now calculation of probable error. So probable error is equal to 0.6745 multiply 1 minus r square divided by under root n is equal to multiply 1 minus r square the value is article minus 0.94 the square divided by under root n is 6 is equal to 0.6745 multiply 0.1164. 6 का अंडर रूट कितना वैल्यू इज 2.449 is equal to 0.03205. ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕੋਫੀਸ਼ੀਐਂਟ ਆਫ ਕੋਰਿਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਸਿਗਨੀਫੀਕੈਂਟ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ, ਉਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੱਸਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕੈਲਕੂਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਪ੍ਰੋਬੇਬਲ ਐਰਰ ਦੇ ਅਕੋਰਡਿੰਗ. ਨਾਓ ਸਿਗਨੀਫੀਕੈਂਸ of R. Now 6 multiply probable error. 6 multiply 0.032.5 की वैल्यू आएगी 0.1923. अगर R is greater than 6, if R is modulus R is greater than 6 probable error, then R is significant. R ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਸੀ 0.94. ਮੋਡੂਲਸ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿਸੇ ਸਾਈਨ ਨੂੰ ਇਗਨੋਰ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ 0.9 ਆ ਐਂਡ ਕੈਲਕੂਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਪ੍ਰੋਬੇਬਲ ਐਰਰ 6 ਪ੍ਰੋਬੇਬਲ ਐਰਰ ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ 0.1. ਦੈਟ ਮੀਨਸ R ਕੀ ਆ ਗ੍ਰੇਟਰ ਦੈਨ 6 ਪ੍ਰੋਬੇਬਲ ਐਰਰ. ਸੋ R ਕੀ ਆ ਸਿਗਨੀਫਿਕੈਂਸ ਆ. ਸੋ ਸਿਗਨੀਫਿਕੈਂਸ R divided by probable error 0.94 divided by 0.03 2.5 is equal to 29.32. So R is equal to 29.32 probable error. Since R is more than 6 times the probable error, so correlation coefficient is highly significant.